Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I will show you how to create a Paramount Plus account on an iPhone. This is what will allow you to use the app and also sign up for a subscription. But before I begin, please allow me to give a quick 10-second shout out to my merch store. I work with different artists to create cool and original fan art. I sell clothes, pillows, and many different accessories. Please check out my store to support the channel and the artists I work with. You can find a link to my store on the top of the comment section or the description of this video. Thanks. You can now get back to your video. We'll begin by opening up the app. So the Paramount app, as you can see, is this right here, Paramount Plus app. Once you open the app, you see over here where it says sign up for a Paramount Plus. You click on that. All right, and it basically gives you the three steps to sign up for the subscription. So you first choose essential or premium, which is ad free, except for live TV and a few shows. And then you select whether you want to pay for it monthly or annually. And there is a savings when you pay for it on an annual base. And also, your first 7 days are free, and you can cancel without without paying any charges. So this is a good idea to just use and get a feel if it's something that you like, if it's something that is worth the money, and you can just cancel it within a week, and you wouldn't have to pay anything. Okay. So I'll click over here where it says continue. When I do it monthly, these are the prices. But if I click over here where it says annual, when you do the annual subscription, it drops from 499 to 417, and that's like they say it's a 16% saving. Okay, I'll opt for the monthly, and then after I select the monthly, I'm gonna select the essential. Let's see what premium offers first. So premium basically allows you to watch your local CBS station live, and also allows you to download your shows to watch later. I'll try out the premium trial. So I'll click over here where it says premium, and then I'm gonna click on select plan. And then it's telling me next create an account with your premium blah blah blah, get personal. All right, click on continue. And here I'll enter my information. And then I put in my email, and then enter the password. For the password, just make something that is 8 characters long, include one uppercase and one lowercase letter, add a special character and a digit. And I'm entering it right now, but you guys can't see it because they just hide it for, of course, for security reasons. Anyways, I'm entering my password right now, which again is hidden from you guys. And then I'm gonna put in my birthday. I usually like just doing 1985, and that's not my birthday, by the way. Let's do mail, and then put in a zip code, and then I see over here, and he's saying if I want to receive marketing notices, and I usually just shake that off. I don't like those things; they can be a little bit annoying. And then so after you enter all your information, click over here where it says continue. All right, and it's just telling me I have the first days free to try it out, and I can cancel at any time without being charged anything. So I'll click on subscribe. All right, and it's telling me do I confirm to this? And for the iPhone, I think from 11 to up, it has like the facial recognition. So it just asks you to tap like the side button. It might be different from for iPhones that came before the 10. Okay, so I'll click on just follow your instructions basically. All right, and then it says I'm all set. Okay, and they just want to personalize my account. I'm just typing random stuff. Click on next. Uh, these are just random stuff, by the way. And then select all your shows, genres, all of that, and click on next. And then KahindoTech, and I'll just select on that. And there you go. That's how I can sign up for a subscription or account on the Paramount Plus app. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and definitely like the video. It helps my video perform better and gets it to more people. And subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like this. Thank you for watching.